Deep in the heart of a lush, green jungle, lived a tiny monkey named Mimi. Mimi was a curious little monkey, always eager to explore and play. One day, she discovered a shiny, golden fruit hanging high from a tree. "Oh, what a beautiful fruit," thought Mimi. She climbed up the tree, reached for the fruit, and slipped. Mimi fell to the ground, but she was not afraid. She picked herself up, brushed off the dirt, and decided to find a way to reach the golden fruit. Mimi asked her friends for help. The wise old owl suggested a long, sturdy vine. The playful squirrel promised to help Mimi climb. And the kind elephant offered to knock the fruit down with his trunk. With the help of her friends, Mimi reached the golden fruit. She took a bite and it tasted sour. Mimi was disappointed, but she remembered that not all things are as they seem. Mimi decided to share the golden fruit with her friends. Her friends tasted the fruit and they laughed. It was a sour joke played by the mischievous parrot. But Mimi didn't mind. She was happy to have made new friends and learned a valuable lesson about appearances. That day, Mimi learned that the best things in life are not always shiny and golden. Sometimes, the most precious things are the friendships we make along the way. And so, Mimi continued to explore the jungle, always curious, always ready for a new adventure.